To our top story now, it is the Mumbai rainfall. Many Mumbaikars are touting this to be heavier than the day that cyclone was witnessed as well. Mumbai is bracing for another day of heavy showers as the Met Department has predicted heavy rainfall in the city today as well. Even though Mumbaikars woke up to light showers today, yesterday monsoon fury has left the city battered, bruised and waterlogged. Heavy rainfall led to massive landslide even at Pedder Road last evening. The road has been closed now and restoration work is underway at the moment. Mumbai's Nair Hospital is completely inundated. Bus routes towards Nair Hospital have been diverted. Part of retaining wall of the Ridge Road collapsed at NS Patkar Road, leading to traffic jam at both the sides. Mumbai police has now urged the residents to stay inside and not venture out in the shores or waterlogged areas. Residents have been requested to dial 100, that is 100 number, in case of emergency. A red alert continues in Mumbai. Mumbai's Colaba saw 293 millimeters of rain, breaking 46-year record for the highest rainfall in the month of August. Prime Minister Modi spoke to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and assured all possible support.
We are trying to start single lane traffic the northward and southward in next about 3 hours time. By 1 p.m. is 2 hours time, and remaining is massive repair because there's a major damage to the road. That work has already started, as you see behind me, and but we will ensure that by 1 p.m. the north and southward traffic starts without any diversion here and there.
So this is Pedder Road, Kemp's Corner, and the entire road has been shut due to a massive landslide which took place yesterday night. But fortunately, a good news this morning is that there is no rainfall, there is no rains happening as of now, and the IMD also is saying that today Mumbai will experience rains, but the intensity will be extremely low. So a spell of rain is expected, but the intensity will be low. Also, the wind speed has really come down. Yesterday, the wind speed was about 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, which is not at all normal for usual rains in Mumbai, and which is the rain speed which is experienced during the storm. So yesterday, South Mumbai sort of experienced a stormy rain, but it has stopped now. The situation is coming back to normal in Mumbai, but the areas which have suffered waterlogging and falling of trees is definitely under restoration work for now. With camera person Prashant Bhatt in Pedder Road, Mumbai, I'm Tanushree Pandey for India Today.
Mumbaikars need to be very careful even today. The weather department has sounded a red alert, and the Mumbai police has requested Mumbaikars not to venture out of the houses unless very necessary. I'm in the King Circle area of Mumbai. At this point of time, there is no water logging in this area, or for that matter, in any part of Mumbai. But the weather department says that as the day rises, there could be heavy to very heavy rainfall, and there could be some trouble in isolated places. Hence, red alert has been sounded for not just Mumbai, but for the adjoining districts like Thane, Palghar and Raigad as well. We saw the kind of destruction that heavy winds and rains brought. Even today, along the highway, we could see the BEST buses that are not working. Here near the King Circle, I can see that the railing on top of the divider has fallen apart. There are many vehicles which have broken down, and as such, the weather department and the Mumbai police has said that Mumbaikars need to be very careful. Even today, a red alert has been sounded, and unless absolutely necessary, Mumbaikars should not venture out of their houses. With camera person Raju Inamdar, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today. BMC received more than 140 complaints of tree falling in various parts of the city. Here is one more area where a big tree has fallen, and now the BMC workers will have to come out and take care. I'm near the Eastern Freeway. What I am seeing in this area is that there are many cars which have been randomly parked in this area. This is perhaps owing to the reason that yesterday, when it was raining very heavily, perhaps either these cars broke down, or perhaps owing to the heavy downpour and waterlogging, the people inside felt that it would be safe to just leave their cars here and go up to the safer area. These cars have been randomly parked. It is causing disruption to the traffic, but I believe there would be many people who were traveling through this area who thought that it would be best to leave their cars and just go walking home. The weather department has sounded a red alert, and the Mumbai police has said that Mumbaikars need to be careful and they need to stay indoors unless they have some very urgent work. With camera person Raju Namdar, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.